In just few minutes, I will show you how you can create a professional letterhead in Canva, simple, stylish and effective. Hello everyone, welcome back to Knowledge Elevator. My name is Tariq Rahim and I am a PhD scholar at University of Campania. In this Canva series, you will learn about different things that will help you in your education, social media, your business and also in your job. Because there is lots of templates available in Canva that will help you and you can make different things in just 2 or 3 minutes. Besides that, you can also create your own design. So I am going to choose this template because it's look more professional. So you might remember that we also created logo. So what you can do, you can go to your projects and from there you can take your logo here. And also make sure that you should use those colors that was in your logo, so it will be more professional. What you can do, just click on this option and you can copy the code of your color and simply get back to Letterhead and paste it here. So you will get that color that you used in your logo. And after that, for example, now we are going to copy the blue color and we will paste it here, so we will get exact that color. Let me adjust it here. And after that, for example, the next color that I want to add it that is red, so I will quickly copy the code of the red color and paste it here, so it will look like this. Let me fix it. Okay, so now we will change the colors of bottom. So first color will be yellow and then blue, and then I will move to a red one, so you can do it in few seconds. Okay, so there is design in this page. You can also change the color of this. Let me fix it. Okay, so on the top there is 3 dots. We can change the color of this, but instead of this, so what we can do, I will simply delete it and bring my logo. So instead of these 3 dots, what we can do, we can put our logo here. Instead of this design, what I will do, I will simply bring our logo here and decrease the transparency. Just click here and lower the transparency from there. So I will remove all the text and bring our logo to the center, and I will adjust logo a little bit. Okay, so it's all from my side. What you can do, you can simply save it, like you can save in GPG and also you can save in PDF. So now we will get back toward home. If you think this video helped you, go ahead and subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you so much for your time. See you in next video.